How far my people, October don't land, and body they sweet me. Sabi why? Because na Cybersecurity Awareness month. That one means say time don't reach for us to sabi how to protect ourselves online. See, hackers no dey sleep. They be find where they go collect your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and even your bank details. But if you sabi small, small correct things like this, you go block them one side. You understand? Now you make this month, we go dey yarn for Pidgin how to stay safe online. The first thing we go start with na password, because if your password dey weak, e dey like say you just dey leave your door open and stand make thief waka enter inside. Abeg, follow me for this journey. 31 days of small small tips on how to protect yourself. No worry, grammar no dey. Na Pidgin we go use dey run am. You understand? Na street talk we go use. So at the end of this journey, you go know how to protect yourself well. Remember, na everybody work e be to protect himself online. You understand? Na me be Tech, the online police. No kasala.